Hi, welcome to our video on replacing the Wi-Fi card in the GoBook XR-1 by General Dynamics. First thing we're going to do is remove the battery. You should also have your laptop unplugged. The Wi-Fi card sits underneath this plate. There are 6 screws holding it down. Simply remove the screws. I use a Phillips head screwdriver here. Removing the screws. Then once you've done that, you can easily remove the cover plate, which is the same cover plate that covers the memory as well. The Wi-Fi card actually sits right next to the memory. Here you'll see there's the memory and there's the Wi-Fi card. There's a piece of tape over the antenna wires. Basically remove that and save it. You don't want to destroy it, you want to save it. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully unclip the antenna wires. Don't forget which one goes to which side. These screws are very small. I tried to use a bigger Phillips head here, but basically you want to use a small Phillips head to get at these screws, and they can be a little stubborn getting out. There's actually a plastic clip that you have to be careful of here, attached to the Wi-Fi card. I'll show it to you here in a minute. If you look, I remove it here. Take a look, there it is. Don't break that, hang on to it. Putting the new card in, I simply put the clip back on. And when you put this back in the machine, you just angle it, make sure the slot lines up. I put the screw in here just for ease of lining it up with the screw hole. And you push it down. While holding it down, you simply get it attached with the screw. Not hard, pretty easy. The hardest part of this entire repair is actually connecting these antenna wires. And depending on how long those wires are, I find it always easier to attach these wires when the card is out of the machine. In this particular case, I wasn't able to do that, and I have to battle lining up the connector with the card connector. Seem to get it done pretty quickly here. Don't forget your tape. This is an important part. First, I'm going to put the screw on the other side of the card in. Hold that card in there firmly. Pretty simple. There's the tape. Don't forget that tape. That kind of not only protects the connections but holds them in during vibrating or whatever other use you might be utilizing. Now we're going to put the plate back on, the cover plate. As you know, it's held down by 6 screws. And people, that's basically how you replace the Wi-Fi card in this GoBook. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below it. Share it with your friends that have GoBooks. Also, if you cruise over to our channel page, our username is Used Laptops, and just subscribe to our channel. That'll give you access to all of our videos, repair videos, and the such. Here we are, we're finalizing the screws. I have a playlist with GoBook videos with a number of them in that playlist. Go ahead and click on playlists, GoBook playlist. I'm going to put the battery back in here, and that is how to replace the Wi-Fi card in the General Dynamics GoBook XR-1. Hope you enjoyed it.